Welcome back to Thotomatic, where the past and the future come together in the most unexpected and exciting ways. If you love custom builds, retro style, and next-generation auto design, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a true masterpiece, the 1970 lowered Goiânia 2026, a build that doesn't just respect its roots, but transforms them into something that feels alive in this modern era. Imagine this, the unmistakable silhouette of a 1970 Brazilian street classic, lowered to perfection, hugging the asphalt of Goiânia's streets. But don't be fooled by the vintage exterior. Underneath, this machine has been completely reborn. It's where heritage meets high-tech. The 2026 version keeps everything we love about the old-school shape, smooth lines, round headlights, chrome accents, but gives it a futuristic upgrade that takes your breath away. From the outside, the car sits low, mean, and beautiful in pure white. Tucked wheels with deep dish chrome, thin wall tires, and shaved door handles all screen custom. The suspension is fully adaptive, adjusting height on the fly depending on the terrain or drive mode. The stance is aggressive when parked, but can lift for city navigation without scraping the custom frame. There's no doubt, this car turns heads. Let's talk interior. Step inside, and you're no longer in the 70s, you're in something far more advanced. The interior keeps the classic layout, but reimagines every detail. Rich brown leather wraps the bucket seats, with vertical stitching that pays tribute to the original styling. But the comfort, it's next level. Climate-controlled seats, adjustable bolsters, even a massage function built into this retro cabin. The dashboard is wood grain, yes, but embedded with a hidden touchscreen that only comes alive when the car is powered on. The steering wheel is a classic 3-spoke, metal-rimmed masterpiece, but it houses a digital control ring that gives you full command over the drive mode, music, and navigation. The analog speedometer, fully digital behind retro-style glass, blending style and function perfectly. Everything has been touched by the future, but never loses its soul. And speaking of power, what's under the hood is a total surprise. Gone is the carbureted 4-cylinder. In its place, a fully electric powertrain. A dual-motor setup sits front and rear, delivering instant torque to all four wheels. The acceleration is silent but brutal. From 0 to 100 km per hour in under 4 seconds, with no emissions, no lag, and no compromise. The battery is a next-generation solid-state unit, cleverly integrated into the floor pan to preserve trunk space and balance. You get over 600 kilometers of range on a single charge, and for charging, it supports both standard and wireless pads. Just park over the pad in your garage and walk away. No cables, no hassle. But what really sets the 1970 lowered Goiânia 2026 apart is its full Autoland integration. This isn't just a car you drive, it's a car that drives itself when you want it to. Using Level 5 autonomous tech, LiDAR sensors, real-time environment mapping, and onboard AI, the car can handle city traffic, highway cruising, even tight turns in Goiânia's historic districts. It memorizes your routes, learns your preferences, and adapts to your driving style in every way. Imagine pulling up to a cafe, stepping out, and the car finds its own parking spot. Or setting your destination, reclining the seat, and watching the city go by, while soft music and ambient lighting make the experience feel like a luxury lounge on wheels. That's the Autoland promise: freedom, control, and style, all in one. This 1970 legend didn't just survive the future, it embraced it. It's a tribute to Brazilian street culture, custom tuning, and modern automotive brilliance. Whether you're a vintage lover, a tech enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates a beautiful ride, the 1970 lowered Goiânia 2026 is one of the cleanest, smartest builds of the decade. Thanks for riding with us today. If you enjoyed this journey into past meets future, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you drive the 1970 lowered Goiânia 2026? Or do you think classics should stay untouched? Let us know below. This is where classics get a second life. Only here on the channel where legends never die, they evolve. See you in the next one.